Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Google Drive files with Google Easy Tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the trash folder on the left-hand menu. Click on the trash folder to view the deleted files. Browse through the list of files in the trash. If you find the file you want to recover, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Restore. The file will be moved back to its original location in your drive. If you don't see the file in the trash, you can check Google Drive's backups. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Backups. If you need to recover an entire backup, right-click on the backup you want to restore. Then select Restore to recover the backup data. For files that are permanently deleted, you can try to recover them through the Google Drive Help Center. Visit the Help Center by searching for Google Drive Help in your browser. Look for the option related to recovering deleted files. Follow the instructions provided by Google for potential recovery options. Keep in mind that permanently deleted files cannot be restored after 30 days. Be proactive in backing up important files to avoid future recovery issues. Consider using Google Takeout to download important files periodically. This will help you keep a local copy of your important documents. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to recovering your files with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.